Now, this Mr. Eating barley. Barley. He pick up from the garden and then now eat it to guam-guam. Namaste sa bayaro. Da. Busy oh. Busy yummy oh. See? One plate barley direct in the mouth and then happy tummy. Wow. How I wish I can eat also like that. Me, I cannot. I try already. I cannot.
When did you try?
Yesterday, we'll try. I think I need to do boiled. Oh my gulay. See, he finishing the barley. This is nice and healthy. One plate, guys. Look, guys, one plate. My husband eating guam. Nepali ho. Mito cha.
Yummy.
Ekdam mito. Ora.
So fresh.
Very fresh.
Yeah.
Now, the chicken said, leave me, give me also. I want also to eat vegetable, barley. Guys. Finish, guys. See, look. Finish my barley. Eating already fresh barley. Namaste. Thank you all.